a cool rider. I want to see Oolider. I want to see Oolider. Hey neighbor, how are you? I'm just out thinking about doing a test ride on a Harley Davidson. You ever heard of them? Harleys? They're cool. I figured take my cool factor up a few notches. Anyway, when I got back, I was like, my head is filled with a bunch of dad jokes. I gotta go tell my neighbor. Anyway, neighbor, people who hoard magazines, they got a lot of issues. Okay, one more from the dad pack. Did you hear about the police station reporting that all their toilets had been stolen? Right now, they have nothing to go on. What the Pete's Dragon? Anyway, neighbor. Later, gator. I'll see you in church. Cool rider.